Hello, my name is Dante Karim Núñez del Prado, Santander. We are at Manu, Peru, in the high jungle, at socio-ecological project Amaru Mayu. Bienvenidos. We are a non-for-profit NGO. Our aim is to protect and enhance the richness of flora and fauna of this area. We work without the aid of foreign investment, nor the support of the government. Alone, we are trying to protect this rich ecosystem from logging, hunting, or encroachment of its natural resources. We have here primary forests with corridors or trails to visit in, and different gardens that we are implementing with fruitable tropical trees. So we are cleaning this corridor, the access to the banana plantation. This is actually the planting of banana that we put to service to the animals, especially monkeys, brown capuchins and squirrel monkeys. They get refuge in this plantation. They are always the first ones to keep the bananas when they nearly getting raped. We're improving more and more, the more bananas, more plantation of these animals get this refuge in this corridor, biological corridor of Panteacolla, ending in this point. And these animals have access also to the park. And at the end of this corridor, that it is a Pongo Coñe, they get this option to keep a refuge somewhere with some available food from this garden or from our other gardens. I actually came to this jungle at my 7 years, my first time with my family. I came with my father that was working at Pilcopata as a post officer. From that time, I really could witness myself the depleting of the territory fast and fast. Protection itself of the forest and conserving the forest is not possible without keeping on mind the society that inhabit at the surroundings of this protected area. So for us was so important to concern about this sensible idea, not to focus in protectionism of the forest rather than implementing some kind of beneficial tool as for the management of the forest, like modeling this management on the way to do also social strategic things to involve people and to show benefits from this and sharing benefits with them. We are working in different ways. Socially, through the engagement with locals, communities, tourists, and volunteers. I extend an invite for people to come and join us in our quest to take this project forward. Those who decide to join us here will be given basic but comfortable accommodation overlooking the river in an area of rich rainforest, with an abundance of plants, birds, mammals, insects, some of which are unique to Peru. It is already 14 years ago that we have a welcoming program for volunteers from over the world. And these persons, like you guys in this case, comes freely to share in this place kindly this lifestyle of jungle, pristine forest, and patrolling, diving into the forest, splashing in the rivers, and making this lifestyle after
promoting this nice idea to have preserving this ecosystemic producer lands.
We are committed people. We are doing this to enable everybody, us, locals, tourists, or volunteers from all over the world, to keep enjoying this natural beauty today and for generations to come.